One problem in the world that I'm especially passionate about solving is the need to increase our current recycling rates. So, the average person doesn't think about recycling on a day-to-day basis, but I'm studying material science and engineering with a global business minor, so it's something I'm very passionate about. We've all heard the fact that recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to power your television for 3 hours. So if you look back and think about all the recyclable objects that you've thrown away, and then multiply that on a global scale, you can start to see where the problem ensues. So, when you throw that object away, it either goes into the landfill, where it can take thousands and thousands of years to decay, or it gets into the water system and potentially out into the ocean. Right now, in the Pacific Ocean, there's this monster garbage patch that's the size of Texas by conservative estimates. So, the US for several decades has been the main contributor of garbage in the world if you think about all of our plastic packaged items and all that. But other countries are slowly starting to pick up our poor habits. So this problem can really explode in the coming decades. And I think a real way to fix this problem is a cultural change in our societies. So recycling can bring in so many jobs to your local economy. I grew up in the metal recycling industry, which is very far advanced for recycling because it's so lucrative. So it has that incentive attached to it, but you don't see as much scrap lying around because people could pick it up and bring it in and make money. But that's not so with all materials, but the change and the potential is there. So we could create local jobs to help recycle all this material, and it improves the aesthetic appeal of our neighborhoods because no one likes to see trash on the streets or in the water system.